How to save a note as a PDF file on the Notes app on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, open up the Notes app, or you can open it from the app library. In here, open up the notes that you want to save as a PDF document. Now in here, tap on the share button at the top. Then we go down and tap on print. Next, tap on the share button again. This time, tap on save to files. And then at the top here, choose the folder where you want to save it to. So here I'm going to save it to Django's download. Down here at the bottom, you can give it a name. So here I will give it a name, test PDF doc. And then tap on save. Alright, now if you go to the file manager on the iPhone, so from the home screen here, I will open up files. In files, you can browse to the folders where you save your PDF document. In here, I've got test PDF doc, and there it is. So it saved my note as a PDF document. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.